Okay, let's talk about something which is always in discussion. And I talk about the comparison between organic marketing and paid marketing. Yes, both the marketings are working. It has been working since ages and it would be working for years and years. Now, the point is, what is suiting you the best? Now, when coaches do come to me saying that, they have figured it out organic on their own and they are now moving towards inorganic, I ask just one question. What do you mean by organic marketing and how do you do it? So, most of the people say that, okay, I do posting and that's it. Just posting is not organic marketing, my friends. My dear coaches, understand that posting your content is just one part, which is hardly 5% of the entire marketing system. And my suggestion to you would be, if you have not built your organic presence, even if you are paying money in ads, it won't work unless and until the infusion of money is big. Let's say maybe a lakh of rupees per month and so on and so forth. So if you have that kind of a budget, you can definitely do marketing, paid marketing, and start building your visibility. Otherwise, what I would recommend and suggest is, if you are a beginner or an intermediary coach where the values or the trust has not yet been built to that extent, please focus on organic marketing till the time you start making money. Once you start making money, out of that money which you are earning, infuse a portion of that money into ads and see if it is working for you. Again, there are multiple parameters to it, and nobody can guarantee. I have been doing ads for myself. I have done organic marketing, and today in 2025 and now 26 is about to come, you know, it has to be a mix of organic and inorganic both. You cannot rely on just one way of doing marketing, especially for coaching businesses. So if you want to know more about it and you are confused what to do, what not to do in terms of doing marketing, do contact me. I'll definitely help you out as what I'm doing for other coaches. See.